Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goring Guitar. I just came across a great song, an artist, by the way, Sydney Rose. We Hug Now, that's the title of the song, and wonderful song here from Sydney. She's first time here on this channel, deserves a spotlight here. And yeah, she gives me very much of a Gracie Abrams feeling. Her sound, in some way, for me at least, is similar to her voice. So a great song here coming up from Sydney. Let's go into We Hug Now. And as you can see, we don't have any capo used here, so we're gonna go clean, and we're gonna go into the chords, of course. So we're gonna learn C first, and that goes third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the A minor next, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we'll have the next chord, what I will call the A minor B. I know the technical name is not exactly that, but that is what I feel is the effect of this chord. Is a transition chord. So what you do here is to keep that first fret B string from the A minor, and then you just release everything and go up to get the second fret A string. All right, like this. So it goes second A, open D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so I call that the A minor B. Then we have the F chord. It's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the first fret and then push down all strings there. Then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. All right, and then next we have a chord that I call the G at 11. It's a longer name actually. If you just look into the technical name, it goes like this. So third on E, second A, open D, open G, and then comes first B and open E. All right. And then finally, we have in the end of the song a chord that is the C E chord. And it looks exactly as the C in the grip, but you also incorporate the open E string in the bass. Everything else is exactly as the C we just learned. So that is the C E. All right, so with that, we have all the chords. Now let's go into the strumming part of it. And yeah, if you grab the first chord C, we have a pattern that goes down, down, down. Okay, so it's basically 3 downs. It goes like this. So you have 1 down on the bass strings, okay, and then you answer 2 downs on the higher strings down here. Okay, so bass, top, top, bass, top, top. Okay, so bass, top, top. That is 1 string around. Okay, so now let's go into the verse play. And this is the main chord progression here. It's played at least half of the time in the song. And it goes C, 2 string rounds, then A minor, 2 string rounds, then the A minor B, 2 string rounds, and then F, 2 string rounds, like this. Okay, you can do that in the strumming way, but you can also do that in a picking way. So if you do that, then you of course play the bass notes, and that replaces the first down. And you're gonna pick that whatever bass note it is for the specific chord. So for C, the A minor B, you have the bass note on the A string. And then for F and the G, you have it on the E string. All right, so you start with the A or E, depending on which chord you're playing. And then you're just playing, I would suggest the G and the B string for all of these chords. Then you will hit the right notes, cause the B string here, the first with B string follows many chords, and that's where the melody goes. So in this case for C, you're gonna play A string and then G, B for 2 times. So that will be the picking style. So all right, so that is one round of the verse play. And I just want to add something to it again. Maybe you can hear some melody there going on. It's pretty dominant at the A minor slash B part. So what you can do here is to play C2, A minor 2, and then A minor B 1 plus the melody. It goes like this. So instead of playing the second time of the picking or strumming on the A minor B, you play the melody, which is 3 notes, second fret A string, third A, and then open D. And then you just continue in the same way with F with the strumming or picking. So one round will be like this. All right. So that is the verse play, and you're going to continue with that also in the pre-chorus, or if there is any. Not sure how this song is divided really, but just before the chorus comes, you're going to play and switch 2 chords here. So you're going to play C2, A minor 2, then F2, and you're going to end with A minor B, and that chord you're going to play for 4 rounds instead of 2. So that is just before the chorus. So C2, A minor 2, F2, A minor B, 3, 4, and then starts the chorus. Okay, and speaking of chorus, that is to play F2, then comes the G at 11 2 times, then we have the A minor 2 and the A minor B2. Okay, so that is the first half of it. And then the next half of it will be F2, G2, A minor 2, and now 1 down on D actually, or you can just play the bass note of D, and that is the open D string. If you want to play a full down on the D chord, then you will play and hold open D, second G, third B, and second E. Okay. I don't think that is necessary to play a full chord for this, just 1 down, and it's very dominant on the bass note, so I suggest you just play the open D string. All right, so that is the second half of it. So you're gonna play F2, G2, A minor 2, A minor B 2, and F2, G2, A minor 2, and 1 down on D, the bass string. And then after that you continue with F2 and then G2. Okay, and that is the end of the chorus. So just summarize this one. You have the F2, G2, A minor 2, A minor B2, then F2, G2, A minor 2, 1 down on D plus a pause. And then you're gonna continue with F2, G2, and then it just goes and flows into the second round of everything in the verse play. And there you have the tools for the main parts of the song: the verse, the thing just before the chorus, and then the chorus play. And then at 2:49 comes the outro, and this is where you're gonna utilize the C/E chord. Okay, so now you're just gonna let that strumming go and just play straight 4 downs per chord. So it is A minor, then the G, and now comes the C/E chord, and then F. Again, G, C, F. You're gonna play this for 9 rounds. And I think we understand by now. And that, my friends, summarizes Sydney Rose's We Hug Now. A great song. I love that feeling in the song and her voice as well. So give it a shot if you like this song, and it's a pretty easy incorporation here throughout this song. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope that helped. Until next time, play tuned.